Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. In this video I want to show you an overview how easy you can integrate your load test with chaos engineering by using Steadybit. For that we have some load test extensions available, like for instance the Gatling extension over here, which you can install in your environment to run a Gatling load test right next to your chaos engineering experiment with the available resources of the extension. Once you have installed it, you can use the Gatling extension in an experiment simply by dragging and dropping it from the left-hand side, uploading your Gatling script, and then specify your chaos engineering scenario, and then run the experiment right away. You can afterwards also see the full Gatling report simply by downloading it from Steadybit, and this way understand how your system reacts to turbulent conditions while it is under load by some virtual users. Of course, you can also use the other way around, basically running your Gatling script externally with a huge infrastructure to have a huge load in your system, and then trigger the chaos engineering experiment simply via API. So whenever you want to use the Gatling integration, feel free to install the Gatling extension in your environment. For instance, installing it in Kubernetes using the Helm chart. Thanks for watching, check it out, and take care.